If you think changing your engine oil on time is enough to protect your car, think again. Because right now, millions of drivers are unknowingly pouring in the wrong oil, and it's quietly destroying engines, especially in hot climates and high-mileage vehicles. Mechanics are seeing the same disaster every single week. A Toyota Corolla comes in, rod bearings cooked. A Honda Civic burning a liter every 1,500 kilometers. A turbo diesel boost failure from oil starvation. All because of one simple mistake: choosing the wrong oil viscosity. Today, we reveal the exact oil you must stop using, what viscosity actually means, and how to choose the only grade that will save your car from a $4,000 engine rebuild. You need 5W30 or even 5W40 to maintain pressure and protect worn parts. Let me give you a mechanic example. A Toyota Hilux with over 200,000 kilometers came in knocking on cold mornings. The owner was still using 0W20. Just one oil change later, 5W40, and the noise was gone. Engine pressure was restored, money saved, $2,500 avoided. Modern engines, honestly, they run hot. Turbos can reach like 900 degrees Celsius inside the turbine housings. Now thin oil cooks, forms sludge, and clogs oil passages. That's when turbo bearings die. Volkswagen TDI, Ford EcoBoost, BMW turbo engines. Mechanics highly recommend 5W30 or 5W40. And yeah, the oil spec must meet manufacturer standards like ACAC3, VW504/507, or Ford WSS approvals. So, if any of these are true, you really should change your oil now. Is your engine louder after service? Are you seeing blue or gray smoke from the exhaust? Maybe the oil just disappears between changes? Or you hear turbo whine or notice delayed boost? If your engine temperature is even slightly higher, or the oil pressure warning flickers, these are all early warning signs of catastrophic damage. Okay, let's go through some mechanic-approved oil selection rules. If you live in a hot region, use 5W30 for normal driving, or 5W40 if you've got a high mileage or turbocharged car. If your car has more than 150,000 kilometers, move up one viscosity grade. If you have a turbo, never use 0W20 unless the manufacturer strictly demands it. For those who drive short trips often, choose oil with a high HTHS rating for stronger film protection. And always make sure your oil meets the API or ACER spec. No approvals, just avoid that oil completely. If you drive in hot climates or have high mileage, you really need to stop using 0W20 and 5W20, unless your manufacturer specifically requires it and the climate supports it. Instead, 5W30 gives you a nice balance of protection and economy. 5W40 is best for older engines, turbos, towing, or when it's really hot. This single switch can prevent oil consumption, turbo failure, rod bearing wear, and those expensive repairs nobody wants. Don't wait for the engine light. By then, the damage is already done. Your engine survives on just 4 to 6 liters of oil. So pick the right grade today, and your car will thank